Welcome to Kidsyland, where imagination is no bound. Step right up, young explorers, to the most vibrant and delicious adventure of all, the Fruit Fiesta. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and feast your eyes on nature's sweetest treasures. From the juicy mangoes of the tropics to the crunchy apples of the farm, we are about to embark on a fruity presentation that will leave you craving for. So grab a seat and join us as we dive into the world of fruits and uncover the amazing flavors and health benefits that await us. It's time to let the fruity fun begin. Hey everyone, this is apple. It's crunchy, juicy and packed with vitamins to keep you healthy and strong. Yo, it's banana here, the best friend for your energy. It's full of potassium which helps you jump, run and play all day long like a super monkey. Hey there, this is chiku, also known as sapatu, a sweet and flavorful fruit that is rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating this can help you maintain good health and keep your skin glowing. It is good for your digestion. Hi there, this is a grape, a sweet and juicy fruit. It is packed with antioxidant which can help to protect your cells from damage. It is also high in vitamin C and K which are good for your skin and bones. So pop a grape and enjoy a burst of sweetness and health benefits. Namaste, this is guava, a tropical fruit with a unique flavor. This is high in vitamin C which can boost your immunity and keep you healthy. It is also rich in fiber which is good for your digestion. So bite into a guava and enjoy delicious taste and health benefits. Hello, this is mango, the king of fruits. This is sweet, juicy and packed with vitamins A and C. Eating this can help your eyesight, skin and immune system strong. Its taste amazing. So why not enjoy a delicious mango today? Hello, this is orange, a juicy and refreshing fruit packed with vitamin C. It helps you fight off colds and infection. It is also rich in fiber which is good for your digestion. So peel an orange and enjoy a burst of tangy sweetness. Hi, this is papaya, a tropical fruit with a soft buttery texture. It is rich in vitamin C which can boost your immunity and keep your skin healthy. It is also full of enzymes that aid digestion. So slice up a papaya and enjoy your delicious taste and health benefits. Aloha, this is pineapple, a tropical fruit with a sweet and tangy flavor. Loaded with vitamin C, it can boost your immunity and keep your skin healthy. It is also rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. So slice up a pineapple and enjoy delicious taste and health benefits. And with that, we conclude our fruity adventure for today. But fear not, dear viewers, for our fruit vista will continue in the next episode, where we will uncover even more juicy secrets and delightful surprises. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Kidsyland to see more videos like this. Thank you.